Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the factory reset on the Google Nest E thermostat. Now I have other videos covering all sorts of different topics on this thermostat, so please check out my playlist if you're more interested in learning about this thermostat. I have different topics such as how to connect and disconnect to the Nest app, how to install, going over the setup menus and options, and manual override, 7-day schedule, factory reset, which is this video, lock and unlock, and no power blank screen situation if you have no power to the thermostat and it's just blank, as well as eco mode and the safety temps. Those are all separate videos. Please check those out if you're interested. So let's get into the factory reset, which is what you're here for. Now to do that, you want to wake up your thermostat and get to the menu. Once you do that, let's go to the settings at 6 o'clock and click. Then scroll all the way to the end. So all these other ones I cover in a separate video, the setup and install video, but we're going to go all the way to the end here, which is reset. Now, there's all sorts of different options here that you can do. It's not just one factory reset. You can restart. You have the auto schedule, which is the auto away schedule and away schedule that you can reset just the schedules themselves, okay? Or the account connection. That is the information that you have this linked to your phone on your Nest account, okay? If you wanted to delete out your account off the thermostat, that's what you would do, the account connection. That would take care of that. Then you have to just completely reconnect through the whole process all over again with your phone, okay? So I don't recommend doing that. And let's get back to where we were. Okay, so the account connection, we don't want that. That would cancel out our account that we have connected with the Google Nest. All settings is the factory master reset, okay? This is what you want if you want to completely wipe this thing a clean slate and start all over again. All settings. That would delete everything off the device, and it'll be essentially a brand new out-of-the-box device, and you have to go back over and do everything, set everything up, and take care of that. Okay, so you have to decide which one you want. It's very flexible in the way that you don't just clear out everything, and you can restart, gives you that option, auto schedule, away schedule, account information, and like I said, the all settings is the master reset. That's just going to wipe the thing clean, okay? And most people don't want that, but if that's what you want, that's what you would select. You would hit, I'm not going to do it right now, but if you would select that and then clear all the data off the device. But let's go to cancel and done. So that there is the factory reset. Now, if you wanted to completely, reset the device, that's what you would do. So check out my other videos if you're interested in other topics such as how to connect and disconnect to the Nest app, how to install the base plate and go over the setup and menu options, manual override, which is a really big popular topic, as well as 7-day schedule, factory reset, which is what we just went over, lock and unlock. Also, if you have a no power blank screen situation, how to fix that, as well as eco mode and the safety temps and what they do. But that's going to be it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was the factory reset on the Nest Thermostat E. Please check out my other videos covering this thermostat in particular in my thermostat playlist. I'll link that down below. Check it out. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.